Hello everyone, it's Mr. Chris from Rockstar Ballet. It's good to see you. I want to talk about kind of the not so secret to developing length through your legs and that beautiful straightness through your legs that is very desired, right? And that continuation of your line. And it's all within the mighty Tendu, right? The Tendu is so important. We do so many of them. But executing the Tendu correctly is essential, right? So a lot of people just kind of go bump and go out. The knee bends a little bit. It's there kind of, right? But we're not really getting the good work there when we do that. What we want to do is we want to push down first. So reach down through the leg, activate the turnout, create friction into the floor, and then reach out and down as we close, right? Boom, down through, reach out with your energy, boom, boom. So your turnout activates, you have a nice, beautiful long line, and then you create that wonderful length that you desire. And always remember, you are a rock star.